Stac Moldtech Private Limited, Kunigal, Karnataka. Specializing in precision mold manufacturing, Stac Moldtech operates with advanced technology and uncompromising quality standards. To support its growing energy requirements, the company partnered with Apollo Power Systems to implement a sustainable solar energy solution. Apollo Power Systems designed and commissioned a 125 kilowatt rooftop solar power system tailored to the operational requirements of Stac Moldtech. The system is powered by two 60 kilowatt Solis inverters and 219 high-efficiency solar panels, ensuring reliable and efficient energy generation. Producing an average of over 15,000 units of clean energy every month, the installation delivers monthly savings of approximately 99,000 rupees. With an estimated return on investment of 6 years, the project helps optimize long-term energy costs. Here's what the managing director at Stac Moldtech has to say about their experience with us. At Stac Moldtech, we chose solar energy to improve sustainability and reduce operational costs. Apollo Power Systems impressed us with their technical expertise, professional execution, and excellent support throughout the project. The 125 kilowatt peak solar installation was completed smoothly, and we are highly satisfied with the quality and performance of the system. APS has proven to be a reliable long-term partner since 2009, and we look forward to working with them on future energy initiatives. Mr. Shankar CV, Managing Director, Stac Moldtech.